the state of the judiciary report. What more can you tell us?
Now, this civil society group says it is speaking on behalf of ordinary Kenyans who dread going before the courts of law, and they claim that ordinary Kenyans or Kenyans of or lower socioeconomic standing dread going to the courts because they know that the dispensation of justice will be tilted against them, according to this civil society group. They say that ordinary Kenyans normally get out of court with hefty sentences, while the observation states that Kenyans of higher socioeconomic standing, when they go before court, the cases are delayed or they get off with very light sentences. They now claim that Chief Justice David Maraga has been demanding for more funds to be allocated to the judiciary, yet the dispensation of justice has not been commensurate to the amount of money that he is demanding. They have put a case in point, the prosecution of the Akasha brothers in the US, where the two brothers were sentenced to between 20 and 25 years. And this case ran for just 6 months. Yet here in Kenya, that was not possible because the Akasha brothers' drug smuggling cartel had run rings around the judiciary and government officials. And they are now claiming that they want officials of the judiciary as well as advocates of the High Court who were mentioned or implicated in aiding and abetting the activities of the Akasha brothers and assisting them to avoid justice for so long in Kenya to be repatriated, and they want Chief Justice David Maraga to do that as soon as possible. They have also, this situation or this onslaught against the Chief Justice also comes in the backdrop of yesterday's, as you've clearly mentioned, the exchanges between the executive and judiciary. They bring us to the case of the separation of powers between the executive, the judiciary, and the independence of these arms of government. So they are stating that if Chief Justice David Maraga does not resign in the next 2 weeks, they will stage protests at the Supreme Court in order to demand for justice, because they are saying that the ongoing trend, which they claim he is tolerating, is continuing to hurt people or Kenyans of ordinary standing, because before the courts of justice, even if we look at the cases that have involved governors, they are all at home. But Kenyans of normal or of lower socioeconomic standing cannot either be able to raise bail, afford expensive lawyers, or be able to wriggle their way out of the system because they lack the influence and money. And they say that this situation has been tolerated because the Chief Justice has not addressed it at all. So for now, let us listen to what they had to say.
The three arms of government should work together. But the executive seems to be doing so much where the judiciary is doing so little. Yes, they may complain that they did not get the budget they wanted. But at the same time, we say you should be able to work with what you have before you get more. Then why are we giving them money and we cannot see results, especially in serious cases, whereby millions and billions of shillings were stolen and people have not been prosecuted? Why Chief Justice Maraga should tell us why. Why does he need more money to do more nothing?
Hizi cases kubwa mambo ya ama governors vile wanashikwa, mambo ya Kimarel imebaki na Wakenya hawana tena imani na hii Supreme Court, kwa sababu hiyo ndio koti na nipao inalipwa pesa mingi. Hatutaki tena kurudi kulalamika kwa sababu hakuna koti nyingine. Hapo ndio mwisho. Na sasa ndio tuzuie koti yetu ya Supreme Court ikuwe na hadhi na ikuwe na heshima. Afadhali Bwana Maraga, weka kiti kando, ama tuite kwa meza tukae. Sisi tutakuwekeaga katika national holiday, tutakuwekea coach. Sisi kama Wakenya tutasema uwekeage coach na kiti ambao kikaa unatoshana na president. Lakini